Selena here.
And Marceline here.
Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna open the LOL surprise furniture.
Look at dinner. Then mine.
We're gonna open one of them.
I want to open
one of them is Cozy Coop.
One is toy and one is a boy.
And they have a doll inside. And then as we can see, we're gonna get like a little car, a big car, and like things that you hang in your car.
And we can get pillows, 2 pillows, and a crib, and a doll, and the bunny. A bunny,
bear.
Open it.
Go like that.
Now it's strappy hair and orange hair, and she has them buckles, orange buckles, like almost dark. I take my stuff. I wanna. She open my sister open her things.
Turn to open one of my things. So we're gonna open Cozy Coop. Whatever. Okay. So we're gonna open the top now. Turn this around. Put this down. Go like this.
And
Put it down. Put it down. Put it like this. And then as you can see, you see a car that can opens a door. Have like a little 2 dice so you can hang it to the car. And then also she has her little sister's car too. You can hang it with this. And then like that.
And twice.
And then let's just put this here. Watch out. And then we got MC Sweat. She got a hat that says baby. Then she got another shirt that says baby number 1. I do my thing so I can fix it. She will open the
salon one. Like it's her and she has Tita and let's open it. Okay. Open it. Look at the floor. Wow! Look at. Okay, let me put her phone. She looks ugly, but now she looks big. She looks the same. She looks the same on here, but she not look the same here. Okay. Let's do her house like this. So she's knocking on her door. She's come to her house and help her. So, let's go here.
Okay. So, I'll show you how to open it if you forgot. So, put this down. Then put these like this. Then open this like this. So, we have a little closet. And has little cabinets too. That's just like a brush. And then it has some shorts in here. Then we have Queen Bee, so glittery. Then this one has a little mirror. It's black, it's sparkly. And then the last one is to hold the dress. Gonna decorate it now. Routine. They got the mirror. And they got the thing to hold the dress. And you see the dresses, the skirts, shorts, and the purses. Then you can see over here, there's like some hats, some glasses, some jacket. Then you come over here, there is more purses, and you see some jewelry and the plant right there. And you see that little lamp. Then you see some couch so you can see there, and there's the closet. And that's the little girl.
Okay, cool.
As you can see here, there's hopscotch. And then you see the door and some delivery. You see outside the trees. And then it says MC.squad was here. She spray painted it. And then you see the car with her inside and her little baby sister's car. He's driving, MC.squad was driving her car. And she got her little baby sister's car. That's all.
There's a big salon. So, first, let's do the thing first. So, she have a bowl, but you know in it. She have a brush. And she have a little plate thing for dusting. I don't know. But she has this. She's doing on it. Okay, now. Feet and the rolling thing. And here. And the light. And the dope. And the mirror, another mirror, and a door, and a flower. And so she playing with her baby, and then her covers and her pillows, and one monkey is like a in a lip, and she had and that one she had Magdalena. All the doors. At the TV, then all the stuff, all her pictures, her earth TV, and her plants, and her playing things, and her pencils, her books, and then her bear bunny, her Winky door one. More books and her more after her teeth and her pictures and her
surprise furniture.
Like
Her name is Goldie.
Okay,
Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Like, share this video, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Peace.
Yes, and